Hello and welcome to Truro, Cornwall, where although Gardener's World is requesting videos in landscape format, this particular video is in portrait, as you'll see the reason for that in a short while. So there's a pear tree which I put in last winter. It's just a conference variety. Hasn't had any blossom this year, but maybe that will just allow it to establish in its first year a bit better. Now the reason for which this video is in portrait is now in front of you. This is Echium pininana, which these two plants, the taller of which is probably about 5 meters tall. Now that rod there, the red and white one, is actually a ranging rod, and that has a total length of 2 meters. So that means that even the leaves don't even start until just over 2 meters from ground, and it clearly goes up a lot further. In fact, that there doesn't actually show the full height of it because the perspective is making it look smaller than it really is. Ideally I want to be level with where the leaves start so that I'm looking at the full height of the plant. I just go to the top of the lawn and zoom in. Now it doesn't really like you kind of changing this while you're taking a video. It tends not to refocus automatically. So restarting the video with a focused camera, this is showing the full height of this Echium. It was at least 15 feet tall, at least 4.8 meters. And yeah, it's still been growing over the past few weeks, and I'm sort of wondering whether we're actually getting some kind of garden record in the United Kingdom for an outdoor Echium. As you can see, it's next to a fence. Now the fence is to the south of the plant, so when these plants were to the young plants, they needed to grow more height so that they could get into the light, which has maybe helped them grow to the height that they have. And now they've grown much taller than the fence, and so they are in the sunlight.